Good afternoon everyone. In the past video we done Woodward Fisher rules and calculation of lambda max values of different types of dienes. In this video we are going to discuss calculation of lambda max values of polyenes. For polyenes, we already know Woodward Fisher rules are applicable to only 4 double bonds, increasing the conjugation, increasing the lambda max values. Due to that reason, for polyenes, Fisher-Kahn proposed one equation that is useful to calculation of lambda max values of different types of polyenes, that is Fisher-Kahn equation. Fisher-Kahn equation, Fisher-Kahn mathematical formula. According to Fisher-Kahn mathematical formula, lambda max is equal to, the formula is useful for calculating the lambda max values of polyenes. Lambda max is equal to 114 plus 5 into m plus n into 48 minus 17.5 1.7 into n minus 16.5 r endo minus 10 r exo is equal to nanometers. This is a Fisher-Kahn equation. Lambda max is equal to 114 plus 5 into m plus n into 48 minus 1.7 into n minus 16.5 r endo minus 10 r exo, where m is equal to number of alkyl substituents plus ring residues. Number of alkyl substituents and ring residues. N is equal to number of double bonds in conjugation. Just we have to take conjugated double bonds only. Next, R endo is equal to number of endocyclic double bonds. And last one, R exo. We already know what is exocyclic double bond. So R exo is equal to number of exocyclic double bonds. Exo means the double bond which is present at the outside of the ring. That outside double bond must conjugation in the ring double bond. This is exocyclic. Endocyclic means the double bond which is present in ring only. So that is considered to take. First one is considered to take endocyclic. Endocyclic means the double bond present in ring. Exocyclic means the double bond present in outside of the ring. That outside of double bond must conjugation in ring double bond is said to be exocyclic, endocyclic, and m is equal number of alkyl substituents plus ring residues, n is equal number of double bonds in conjugation. So this is a Fisher-Kahn equation. The mathematical formula is useful to calculation of lambda max values of polyenes. Polyenes means the compounds which are having more than 4 double bonds. So that is a polyene. Just we have to calculate beta carotene. Beta carotene is a polyene. So for the beta carotene we have to calculate lambda max values. Now let us see beta carotene structure. We already know beta carotene is a carotenoid having orange color. Beta carotene is a polyene. Beta carotene have a complex structure. We should note like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. CH3, CH3, and a double bond, endocyclic double bond, and here CH3, double bonds like alternative double bonds, conjugation double bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is also conjugated double bond CH3 and 2 CH3s like and also having this is alkyl substituent CH3 and alkyl substituent CH3. In the view of this, alkyl substituent CH3 and alkyl substituent CH3. This is the complex structure of a beta carotene. So with the help of a Fischer-Tropsch equation, now we can calculate lambda max value of the polyene. Polyene nothing but beta carotene. We already know formula is lambda max is equal to 114 plus 5 into m plus n into 48 minus 1.7 into n minus 16.5 r endo minus 10 r exo is equal to nanometers. According to that, m is equal to, m stands for m is equal to number of alkyl substituents and ring residues. So in this structure we get two rings, unsaturated carbon atom directly attached to saturated. This is a saturated carbon. So the saturated carbon is considered to take ring residue. And next one, unsaturated, this is a saturated. The saturated carbon directly attached to unsaturated end. The saturated carbon is treated to ring residue. So in this ring we get two ring residues. Next in this ring also same, 1, 2, two ring residues. Next number of alkyl substituents. So conjugated system, double bonded carbon atom having a CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 alkyl substituents, m is equal to 6 alkyl substituents, 6 alkyl substituents and 4 ring residues. 4 ring residues. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 alkyl groups we cannot take like we cannot consider alkyl substituents because of this 4 alkyl substituent directly attached to saturated carbon but not unsaturated. Alkyl substituents means the alkyl substituent alkyl group directly attached to unsaturated end of carbon atom, that is must conjugated with other bond. So that is considered to take alkyl substituent. So in this structure 6 alkyl substituents and 4 ring residues, that is m. N is equal to number of double bonds in conjugation. Number of double bonds in conjugation. So double bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number of double bonds in conjugation is equal to 11. Next, R endo. So here we have 2 rings. First ring having 1 double bond, endocyclic double bond. Second ring also having 1. So total 2 endocyclic double bonds. There is no exocyclic double bonds. Exocyclic double bonds are 0. Now let me substitute these values in a mathematical formula. Lambda max is equal to 114 plus 5 into m. M means 10 plus n is equal to 11. 48 minus 1.7 into n means 11 minus 16.5 r endo means into 2 minus 10 into 0 is equal to nanometers. We get approximate value is lambda max is 453 nanometers. So this is a calculated value, approximate calculated value is 453 from this calculation. So this is a calculation of lambda max of polyene, that is a beta carotene orange. Next let us see calculation of lambda max value of retinol. Retinol means a vitamin A. Now let us see vitamin A. Vitamin A also called as retinol. Retinol, this is alcohol. Retinol is coming from beta carotene. 1 mole of beta carotene gives 2 moles of vitamin A. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a CH2OH. Retinol alcohol group CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a fifth one. Alkyl substituent 1, 2, and 3 alkyl substituents, and ring residue 1, 2 ring residues. These 2 CH3 we cannot take as a alkyl substituents because of they directly attach to saturated but not unsaturated. So this is a retinol. According to the structure, M is equal to number of alkyl substituents plus ring residues. Ring residues are number of alkyl substituents. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 3 alkyl substituents plus 2 ring residues. M is equal to 5. N is equal to number of double bonds in conjugation. Number of double bonds in conjugation here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double bonds. Next R endo. R endo is equal to 1 because of we have only one ring having one double bond. R endo. R exo. There is no exocyclic double bond, 0. Now let me substitute in the mathematical formula, that is lambda max is equal to 114 plus 5 into m plus n into 48 minus 1.7 into n minus 16.5 into R endo minus 10 R exo is equal to nanometers. Now let me substitute the values in mathematical formula, that is 114 plus 5 into m means 5 plus n means 5, 48 minus 1.7 into 5 minus 16.5 into 1 minus 10 into 0 is equal to nanometers. According to this, we get approximate value is 325 nanometers. So this is a lambda max calculated value 325. So retinol, polyene, the polyene lambda max calculation according to Fischer-Tropsch equation we get 325. So this is the Fischer-Tropsch equation and calculations. In the next video we will discuss Fischer rules for enone chromophore.